In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove rulers in Canva effortlessly. Whether you're new to Canva or just looking to simplify your design space, understanding how to manage rulers can make your work more streamlined and visually comfortable. Here's how you can easily remove those rulers in just a few simple steps. First, you'll want to start on your Canva dashboard. Once there, navigate to the top left corner of the page where you'll see the File menu option. This is your main gateway to making adjustments within your Canva design interface. Click on File and what you'll notice is that a drop-down menu appears, offering an array of different settings and options to customize your experience. Among these options you'll find several that are relevant to viewing and adjusting your workspace. As you kindly hover over these options, direct your focus to the Settings section. Hovering over Settings will not only keep you organized but will give you access to functionalities that can enhance or simplify your workspace. One of the hidden gems in this section helps with your immediate task, altering the presence of rulers and guides within your design. This is particularly useful if you've been finding the guides distracting or if they've outlived their usefulness during your design process. Now pay attention to the Show Rulers and Guides option. If the rulers and guides are currently displayed and you'd like them turned off to clear your design layout, ensure you select this option. Clicking Show Rulers and Guides toggles them on and off. In doing this, you effectively remove the rulers from your viewing pane until such a time as you may need them again. Making these adjustments is extremely beneficial for two main reasons. Firstly, removing unnecessary visual elements can let you focus better on the assets you're currently working on, and secondly, it streamlines your workspace, reducing visual clutter. This helps you maintain a smoother and cleaner design process, free of distractions. These simple actions allow you to navigate Canva with ease and efficiency, ensuring that your creative process remains uninterrupted by unwieldy rulers cluttering the edge of your canvas. In summary, understanding how to adjust the visibility of your guides and rulers is a small but mighty trick that enhances your skills within Canva, making design a more pleasant and productive experience. Thank you for tuning into this guide. I hope this walkthrough has clarified how to manage rulers in Canva, helping you to craft your designs with more confidence and less clutter. For more quick tips and tutorials on mastering Canva and enhancing your design workflow, make sure you subscribe and stay updated with our latest videos. Happy designing and see you next time.